What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So today, honestly, is all about XRP. It's all about Ripple because of what's going on with the SEC versus Ripple and the appeal that has just come through, right? Or decided to appeal it. Um, the movement and the moves that Ripple are making, I don't think that we will see that stop. I think we will see them try to be aggressive in creating a or multiple partnerships, use of their payment option, as well as seeing the biggest thing, which I believe is going to be huge for XRP in general, which is the XRP ETF or multiple ETFs. The CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, believes that we are going to see a wave of XRP ETF filings coming very, very soon. And I honestly think that's true. We have already seen one, we've already seen the first, we've already seen the trust. And I do believe that we're going to see a lot, despite the SEC deciding to appeal everything, seems like. So, with that being said, I'm going to take you through this article a little bit and talk to you about the XRP filings. I'll talk about what that means for XRP. I'll talk about the future of Ripple and XRP and all of that stuff. So, guys, thank you for bearing with me through all of these videos. Honestly, I wanted to live stream and just talk about it through a live stream, but my voice, I'm actually going through, like I would say, a little bit of a cold, but trying to make sure that I don't talk too much, because if I talk too much, then my throat ends up getting really sore and then I just can't talk at all. So I'd rather be able to put out these videos and talk and do all that. So I appreciate you guys, people that are asking for live streams. I was looking to go live last night, but I didn't because I didn't want to irritate my throat or what's going on here. And it is getting a little bit better, which means that I can talk a little bit more without being broken up by like coughs or anything. So I appreciate you guys being patient with me. But let's talk about this, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Don't forget about my link for Margex if you guys want to trade XRP, especially being at a 50-cent price versus 60. I feel as though you have an opportunity. So definitely go ahead and check that out. You can trade up to a 50x leverage, as well as all the way down to a 5x leverage on XRP. So let's look at this article, right? The article states that Ripple CEO predicts a wave of XRP ETF filings. You have Bitwise Asset Manager filed an application for a Delaware statutory trust on September 30th, moving closer to launching an ETF linked to XRP. Bitwise is a reputable crypto-only company known for its sound choices and thinking. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse recently stated that he believes the adoption of XRP in TradeFi continues to pick up pace. He thinks the Bitwise filing will lead to other asset managers to follow the same path. In Garlinghouse's view, the launch of an XRP ETF is quite feasible and perhaps inevitable, especially given the trend of emerging markets for digital assets. Garlinghouse anticipates more XRP ETF filings. The application made by Bitwise with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission is significant for XRP's position in the financial market. After the S1 form was filed, all institutional investors accept that XRP is a commodity and not a security. This comes in the wake of Judge Annalisa Torres earlier this year, ruling that XRP is not a security. Naturally, according to Brad Garlinghouse, other asset managers such as Grayscale may also join Bitwise in the near future. For some reason, I'm drawing a blank. I thought it was 2023 that they stated that XRP was not a security, but I may be wrong. I thought it was a complete year in July after that, and I thought it was last year, not earlier this year, but that may be a mistake in the article, or I may be mistaken. The increased demand for XRP ETFs show that more institutional investors are entering the digital asset space, and are being accepted into TradeFi world. Canary Capital steps towards XRP ETF filing. Besides Bitwise, Canary Capital filed for an XRP ETF with the Delaware Division of Corporations. However, Canary Capital has not submitted an official application with the SEC to this effect. The move by the asset managers to register in Delaware underlines the state's business-friendly bureaucracy and taxation policy for financial services firm. Another company that may join the market is Grayscale, especially after creating its Grayscale XRP Trust. Thus, the transforming this trust into an ETF, Grayscale could well accelerate the recognition of XRP in the traditional markets. Traditional market, the trend indicates that more and more institutional investors are recognizing digital assets such as XRP as actual commodities. Legal challenges could delay approval, even as the push forward XRP's ETFs gather pace. The SEC's stance is still unclear. The SEC has appealed the recent ruling on the status of XRP, and it may take time before approval goes through. The crypto community is still somewhat wary, as any change in the legal stance could hamper the growth of such advancements. Nonetheless, Garlinghouse remains quite hopeful about the future of XRP's ETFs. He noted that more and more asset managers are filing with the SEC, which demonstrates enhanced confidence in the asset's legal tenderness. Such is the case with Bitwise filing, with other companies expected to do the same in the coming months. Now, yes, despite the SEC appeal that has been stated, we're still seeing some filings, still seeing steps forward in seeing these XRP ETF become a reality. Now, what we've noticed about ETFs is that the only one that have a positive impact right now has been Bitcoin. Ethereum had a negative impact, and maybe it was the timing more or less than the actual position or the actual like ETFs that were out there and trading. I think it was more about the timing and getting to the bull market, getting to the altcoin season that's truly going to happen. But it may put a little bit of a damper on things. It may be something that stops maybe that approval process, which would suck. But seeing the filings means that people believe in it, that people see the value in having that available, and it's a big deal, right? We'll see how this all transpires. We'll see how everything shakes out. But let me know what you're thinking about it. Are we going to see an XRP ETF? Is it going to take until the end of 2025 to see an XRP ETF? Or do you think it will happen in 2025 like I believe it will happen? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.